You know, Dallas is a really interesting city. A common question I get is, have you worked in my neighborhood? Make sure that you're familiar with their neighborhood or the housing stock or simply the age of homes. For instance, we work in a number of historic and conservation districts. We work in areas with very old homes, 100-year plus homes. And people living in those homes want to make sure that you know how to work on them, that you know how to reproduce the type of work that was done in them, and that you can help them understand what they can expect in a house that age. The last thing they want is to hire a company who's in over their head. And so they want to make sure you have experience in that type of neighborhood. So when you're calling up someone's references, ask what the project was. Ask them to describe it a little bit. Ask them why they chose to do that project. Ask them if the scope of that project changed from day one to the very end of the project. Ask them how that process kind of came about. Ask them if they went into the conversation with this company with one idea of what would happen and they came out on the other end and something different happened. Good or bad, don't lead the witness, just ask the question.